Hello guys. Today videos I'm going to talk about the proxy settings in Chrome or Firefox or Internet Explorer. It's all the same process, but the thing only you need to understand the port and proxy. That's all. So hope this video will help you to hide your IP and the locations. Okay. Um, the first thing you want to do, go to the Google Chrome. All right. In here you want to go to the settings. And settings on the bottom here, as you can see here, advanced. Um, Go to advanced and click systems. And here, as you can see here, open computer proxy settings. So uh, you can do automatic settings or the manual settings. So in this case we are doing the manual setup. So how are you going to find the proxy third party from third party? So there is one thing you can do is going to the one website is called free proxy list.net. Okay, so if you search this, you're gonna find bunch of proxy here. I think let me check. Just so in this website, you're gonna find bunch of the proxy here. So you can select the country, and on country base you can select the state. So in this case we're gonna do use United States. Hit search. So it brings a bunch of the IP address here. So if you want to go specific state, you can pick this IP address and the port. Okay. What we're gonna do is just copy this IP. Okay. We are in California, so this IP is California. Click this and go here, paste it, and in port is what is port is 53281. So type this as well, 53281. So once you click save, so you're going to set up the IP address location is California. Similarly, you can do based on your choice. But as you can see here, the yellow, red, the green light responses, right? The color is here, and response and transfer. So what does this mean is the red is like, it's as you can, it's like a pretty, it's not good basically. The yellow is okay. The green is signal, you want to pick the green signal, and based on the percentage volume here. So the 90%, 98.5, this is good signals. So you can pick this. You can pick any of them, but based on the response, the connectivity, that make difference. So another website is there. Also, you can go to find the IP address is spy.one. There are so many third parties website here. Okay. Spy one, I think. SPYS, sorry. So there are so many third parties website like this. You can pick whichever you want it, based on the HTTPS proxy types or HTTP, and the country base. You can make your change accordingly. So this is how you can change in the Chrome. The another way you can do is just adding the extension in a Chrome as well. So we have an extension called Proxy Switch, I believe. Proxy Switch, and this is the Chrome extensions. you can add this, and similarly you can make a change here as well. As in down here it's showing you, where you can add your proxy and port. So it's a similar concept. Just go to this third-party websites, find some IP address and enter here and make a save change. The setting is depends on you. The manual settings, it depends on you, how you want it, like HTTP, HTTPS is based on those, the IP address. This is how you can make a change on the proxy settings. It's a similar concept with the Mozilla as well. In the bottom here you see network settings. Click this and go to manual setting and add your, if this is a HTTP, you enter here and the port, and make a save. Okay. Similarly, if it's the HTTPS, you do it. This is how you can save, make a change on the settings, on the proxy settings. Hope you like this videos. If you like the videos, please like, subscribe.